Hey guys, welcome back to Wok Drop. So one of the other things that I've been thinking of doing with the channel is not only going over the flavors, but going over all of the spices that are commonly used in Chinese cooking. So I'm going to be breaking down each spice. I'm going to be breaking down a little bit of the history of the spice, a little bit of like how it's made. You'll be able to go back, check different videos out, and you can see how the spice is used, how the spice is prepared, and you can also like find out more about like why we use that particular spice for that particular dish and what benefit it has, not only just taste-wise but health-wise to the dish. Hey, welcome back to Wok Drop. So today we are going over 香料. 香料 means spices, and the first spice that we have for you today is called Dòuchǐ. So Dòuchǐ is fermented black soya beans. They're soya beans that are dried until they're yellow. And then after they've been dried, they're steamed, and then they're put into a container, mixed with salt, mixed with wine, mixed with ginger, sometimes chilies. There's a lot of different recipes for them. Then the container is sealed and they're fermented for a long period of time. These have a wonderful flavor, kind of reminiscent of a really good soy sauce, but a little bit more intense. Believe it or not, this fermentation process has a long history that goes back to the times of Confucius. So we're talking, it's got thousands of years of history on it. So commonly used in stir frying, commonly used like you can steam it with fish, steam it with ribs, you can steam it with lamb. There's many different ways to use it. One of my favorite ways to use it is stir frying it with vegetables. I think it's a fantastic way to get like more like depth of flavor out of your vegetable dishes. You don't have to worry about where you can find Dòuchǐ. Every Chinese supermarket around the world stocks this product, and probably not just one type, but various types. So you can just try them all and find which one you prefer, and that can be your go-to.
Welcome back to Wok Drop, everybody. Today we're going to talk about Dòuchǐ, sometimes referred to in Chinese medicine, 中医 as 蛋豆豉. So these are fermented black soybeans that are salted, and they tend to enter the channels of the lung and the stomach. And what they can do is they can clear heat. So if somebody has an external pathogen, say they catch a cold, and it's in the exterior of the body and it's causing heat, or a heat pathogen where they're having a fever, this can induce sweating. And the nice thing is it's a very gentle induction of sweating and opening the pores. So for people who are yin deficient, women who may be going through menopause, they won't lose excessive fluids in the process of clearing out this external level pathogen. So using this Dòuchǐ within your food, particularly in certain foods such as things that have scallions, leek, and Dòuchǐ, help to clear out an external pathogen that may come in, such as a cold or a flu, that may cause chills, fever, or things like that in the exterior of the body that makes somebody uncomfortable. So Dòuchǐ is very good to add to your food in those recipes, and I highly recommend it. You can even make a decoction of just scallion bulb. So that's the bulb of the scallion of the leek with the roots, along with Dòuchǐ, and you basically boil it for about 30 minutes, and then you drink it to help induce sweating in somebody very lightly who might have a very, very external invasion of cold or heat, either one. It also helps to clear heat gently in the exterior of the body. So give that a shot in your recipes, and good luck.
One of the recipes that I use it for the most is mapo tofu. It's a fantastic addition to any mapo tofu dish. So go and check it out. Dòuchǐ.